Hi my Kaurs, welcome back to my channel, and for today we'll be doing a very different video. It's gonna be more like an experimental video. For today's video we'll be testing out beer. Yes, beer for our hair. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, but I've not had the balls to do it because beer on your hair? Yeah, right. First of all, the smell. I don't want to go around smelling like beer and people thinking that I'm dirty and haven't had a shower. But, and this is a big but, I've heard a lot of good things about beer for your hair. So according to articles online, beer has a mineral called silica, which is known to add volume to hair and thicken it out. It's also a common ingredient in supplements for hair and nails. Apart from silica, beer contains phosphorus, magnesium, copper, B vitamins, and so on and so forth. Along with vitamin B, the proteins found in malt and hop, which are the active ingredients in beer, are known to repair damaged hair. Wow, I never knew this. When I posted an Insta story showing beer and telling you guys, guess what this beer is for? You guys were like, it's for hair. You already knew it. It's like an old tale and I've never done it before. Why? The sucrose and maltose sugars present in beer also help tighten the cuticles, thus giving you shiny hair. It's also known to condition your hair while maintaining the pH balance of your scalp, which means it makes sure that your hair does not get too dry or too oily. So overall, it sounds pretty good, which is why I decided to give it a try and film the whole thing for you guys to see as well and judge it by your own selves. So if you're interested, keep watching, and if you want more videos like this, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my new future videos. Sorry, I have a bit of cold. So let's get started. So obviously the next day I made a trip to the grocery store to find the perfect beer for this experiment. Okay, so I've got this Heineken beer, 650 ml, alcohol 5%. Please enjoy responsibly. Yes, we're gonna apply it responsibly. Premium quality. You better work. By the way, I'm filming on my iPhone 11 Pro Max. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this video quality. So here's where I'm going to pour the beer to flatten it out. Got the can opener. Pouring it all out. You guys, I don't think it's enough for my hair. All that carbon dioxide. So it is going to take about 24 hours to completely flatten out. It looks like sparkly pee. A little ASMR. Okay, so the beer has completely flattened out, as you can see. Look at that. It has completely decarbonated itself. So now what we are going to do is we're going to use this to pour it all here in a kettle. Then I'm going to transfer it back into the bottle. And now we're gonna pour it back to this bottle. I don't know how it went from here to here. I did spill a bit, but not too much. Okay guys, so here's the beer. It's completely flattened out and now I'm ready to take a shower. I recently had a shoot where I had to curl my hair and I need to just get rid of all the tangles inside my hair before I go and take a shower. This will help make sure that everything goes smoothly. Always start from the bottom if you have tangled hair. You don't want to start from here. You're gonna get stuck and you're gonna lose a lot of hair. Make sure the bottom is detangled and then slowly move upwards. Okay, so the hair is all detangled, and if you're wondering, I'm already wearing my swimming costume so I can show you guys the shower routine. And now it's time to test this out. Okay, so here's the beer. product of the show. Let's do this. You have to do it very slowly, it's very cold as well. Oh my god. My bathroom officially smells like beer. Okay, it does burn my eyes. Okay, so we are all done now. All finished. Yep. Now all we have to do is massage for 5 minutes and then rinse. Massage into your scalp. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it all out and then I'll show you guys the result. Okay, so I'm gonna use a hairdryer for this because we want to fasten the process and see what's the result. I'm gonna keep it at the coolest setting possible. You don't want to apply too much heat on your hair because it can dry out your hair. Okay, here's the reveal. My hair does look a bit more shiny than usual. It's still a little bit wet, like 10% wet. Because I have long hair, it does take longer to dry and I have to be somewhere, so that's why I'm a bit in a hurry, but here is the result. I think there's a lot more shine than usual, and the other thing that I've noticed is less hair fall. FYI, I did get smoothing done a few months ago when I was in India and I am facing a bit of hair fall, and no, I'm never gonna do smoothing ever again, but I think with this bare rinse and massage, I feel like my hair fall, like there is no hair fall, you guys. Usually there's a lot of hair fall on my carpet. I'm seeing no hair whatsoever, and my hair has become a bit thinner than before, and that's because of smoothing. But I'm never gonna get smoothing done ever again, and I suggest you don't either. It does give you a good look, but it's not worth it. So what do you guys think? My hair does smell a bit weird. It doesn't smell like beer, but it smells a bit weird. I think the smell of my shampoo and my beer mixed up, and now I have a very weird smell going on. But I think next time if I'm doing this rinse, I'm gonna put some essential oil. Maybe that would help with the smell. But overall, I'm quite impressed. The most that I'm impressed is about the hair fall. There is literally no hair fall. So if you do want to do this DIY, do it at your own risk. I cannot say what kind of result you will have from this, but overall, I think if I want to do this DIY, I'll be doing it once a week just because I see less hair fall. So if you're suffering from hair fall, you may want to try this. I also want to take this opportunity to thank you all for 100,000 subscribers. Never in a million years I thought I would be here so quick. So thank you. I'll be posting so many more videos every Wednesday and Sunday, so make sure to subscribe. So with that, I conclude this video. Thank you all for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my new future videos. Also like this video, it helps grow my channel and also helps me keep going. Take care. Bye.